You're welcome again to Sir Pedro Maths class. I remain your humble tutor, Sir AI Pedro. So today we'll be looking at a question under matrices and determinant. So those of you writing examination, further maths, mathematics, higher universities and all, you're welcome to this channel. So those questions, it's a very simple one that if you pay attention very well, you will understand it. So do well to follow us. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to it so that you have more of this content at your table. So let's go. Let's solve this question. The question says, find the determinant of f of x equal to this. Find the zeros of f of x in this one. So what you do quickly is to expand this, that is the determinant. So how do we do it? Simple. So let's follow me. Solution. So let's go. So when you see such question, determinant, you solve this determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay? So when you are solving this, you take the sign convention, this place to be plus, here to be minus, here to be plus. If you are dealing with the first row, okay? If you are using the second row, here will be minus, plus, minus. Alright. So we are dealing with the first row, plus, minus, plus. So let's generate the 2 by 2 matrix. So we have the first one is x minus 2, we open bracket, determinant. So you have x, close this first column, close the first row. So you are left with what? X minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 x minus 2. Alright? Close this column, close this one. Have this. Alright. So the next one is minus 2. Okay, go again. Close the second column, close the first row. So we have minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, x minus 2. Right. So we'll go for the next one. The next one is minus plus minus 1. Okay. So you close the third column and the first row. So you are left with minus 1, x minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. Alright. So we've done it. So now you have to solve this matrix 2 by 2 determinant. So we have x minus 2. Alright, take this bracket. So you have bracket x minus 3, x minus 2. So you multiply the leading diagonal, right? Then subtract it from the multiplication of these two, the second diagonal. So I have 2. Minus 2 times minus 1 will give us what? 2. Okay, so this minus is from the operation. So here is minus 2 will give us plus 2. Okay, so we go again, open the bracket. Minus 1, minus 1 times x minus 2. Alright, then minus is plus, so you have minus 1 here, close the bracket. So the next thing you go for this, you have minus 1, plus minus is minus. So you have the first one is 2. You have minus bracket minus 1 into x minus 3. Right, so don't be confused here. This plus, then the operational minus, this is it. Then minus times x minus 3. Okay, so we move. So the next one is to simplify the bracket. So we have x minus 2. Open the bracket. So we have, let's simplify this. X times x. We have x squared. X times 2. We have minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Okay. Then minus 2. Close the bracket. So we'll progress to the next one. This will give us plus. So here will be minus x This is my plus 2. This one aside. Then this one will give us what? Plus what? Minus x will give us plus 2 here. Minus times minus will give us plus minus 1. We close the bracket. We'll go again. So this one will give us minus 1. We'll have 2. Open this one inside. We'll have minus x plus 3. Alright. So we go again. So what we'll do is to simplify this, we'll have x minus 2 x squared minus 5x plus 4. 6 minus 2. Okay? So here we'll have plus 2 into minus x plus 1. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 into, open the inside first, 2, we'll have plus x minus 3. Alright. So quickly, let's open up the bracket. So here we have, opening this one, we have x cubed. X times x squared will give us s cubed. X times minus 5s is going to give us minus what? 5x squared. X times 4 will give us plus 4x. So we'll go to 2. 2 times x squared will give us minus 2x squared. 2 times plus 5 will give us plus 10x. Minus 2 times plus 4 will give us minus 8. Alright, so we go again for this one. We'll have minus 2x plus 2. So we'll go with this. We'll have minus 2. 2 minus 3 give us minus 1. So we'll have plus 1. 2 plus 1 will give us plus 1. Here will give us minus x. Okay, so don't be confused. 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1 times minus 1. That is plus 1. Okay, then minus times this will give us plus x. Minus x. Alright, sorry. So this will give us minus. Alright, so we'll go. So now next thing you do will now be to simplify this. Right, so you have rearrange x cubed minus 5x minus 2x to give us minus 7x squared, right? Then this one will be plus 4x, 14x minus 2x minus x will give us plus 11x. Then we'll have the final one, minus 8 plus 2 plus 1 will give us what? Minus 8 plus 2 will give us plus 6 will give us minus 5. Alright. So we've gotten an expression. So what we'll do now, because they say to find the zeros of f of x. So we're going to try to get the factors. To get one of the factors, let's try x equal to plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 in that order. So let's go with plus 1 first. Let's try x equal to 1. Okay, first, so that we'll have f of 1 will be equal to, when you put here, I will give you 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 5. So let's see what it will give to us. So we have here 1 minus 7, okay, plus 11 minus 5. Okay, so 1 minus will give me minus 6. So I'm having 0 equal to 0. So that means that x equal to, hence x equal to 1 implies x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So now you've gotten a factor of this by trying the first one. So it's a very lucky one. Sometimes you can try up to 2. But this one very lucky. We're able to get that. The first one we pick gives what was minus, will give us 0. So that means that x minus 1 is a factor. All right. So what you do now to get the other factors, you have to divide by long division using x minus 1 to divide x cubed minus 7x plus 11x minus 5. So let's go quickly. By long division. By long division, x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x minus 5 divided by x minus 1 will be, so we go by long division. Okay, here is x minus 1, here will be x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x minus 5. Right. So let's quickly, the first one you do is what? X cubed divided by x, we have x squared. So you multiply x squared times this, you have what? X cubed minus x squared. X squared times minus 1 minus x squared. So what you do next is what? You some 0 minus 7 x minus this will give us what? Minus 6x squared. So you bring down this 11x. Okay, so let's go this way. Let's go this way. Okay, so let's use here, continue with this place. So we'll go, the next one now will be minus 6x squared divided by x. Minus 6x squared divided by x will give us what? Will give us so let's be using here, will give us minus 6x. Minus 6x. Okay, so you multiply it, you have minus 6x squared, right? Minus plus what? 6x. Okay, so we subtract again. Minus 6x minus this will give me 0. So 11x minus this will give me 5x. Okay, to give me 5x. So I bring down minus 5. This one now, bring it down. So here now we'll have we'll go again. 5x divided by x. This 5x divided by x will have what? 5. So I have plus 5 here. Plus 5 is the value. So 5 times this will have 5x. 5 times will have minus what? 5 equal divide will give you 0. So being able to get the remainder as 0. So it means that we have now x squared minus 6x plus 5. That is now our expression equal to 0. So what we do next is to factorize x squared minus 6x. Okay, factorize x squared minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. So what are the factors that we need here? Minus 5 and minus 1. Just a very simple factor. Minus 5 and minus 1 will give us what? Minus 6x. So the factors now will have x minus 5 bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. So that implies that x is equal, x minus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 5 or x equal to 1. All right, so the zeros of f of x is x minus 5. Let's say s equal to 5 or x equal to 1 twice. So the rest zeros of the expression is what? X equal to 5 or X equal to 1 twice. So it's a very easy one. You can go through it line by line, so that you won't have a mistake, because in such questions, if you are not very careful, you end up having minor operational errors. Okay, so go through it and tell us where you're having issue so that we can put you through. Thank you and God bless you. Do well to follow our channel. Do well to subscribe to us. Thank you and God bless you.